This isn't luck. It's $1.2 million in my own phantom wallet from launching meme coins. No pumps, no chasing trends, just a repeatable play. Keep watching, I'm about to show you how to run it. Let's be real. Trading meme coins is rigged. You're chasing green candles, praying not to get rugged. But guess what? Someone else is always hitting the sell button before you. I lived that cycle and it never worked. But once I started launching my own coins, everything changed. Now I'm the one setting the rules. I drop the token, buyers come in, and I control the play. No more hoping, just execution. It's not magic, it's leverage. Stop trying to guess the next pump, but be the pump. That's where the real money is. But obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please don't copy me, cap! When you launch on Pump.Fun, you're stuck waiting. Waiting to graduate, waiting for visibility, waiting for volume. But with create-tokens.fun, the wait is over before it even begins. Your coin hits Raydium right away. No checkpoints, no milestones, no bonding curve. That means your project is live, tradable, and tracked instantly. You can share your DEX screener link minutes after launch. Buyers can jump in immediately, and the hype doesn't have time to fade. While everyone else is still grinding to reach visibility, your coin is already running laps. If you actually want to be seen, this is where you do it. This is where the magic happens on create-tokens.fun, and where the profits start stacking. If you've got two paths. First, build your own coin from scratch. Pick the name, drop in a symbol, upload an image, and boom, you are ready to go. But the real play, that's the copy trending coins tab. Here's why. Those coins are already hot on Pump.Fun. They've got real traction, real buyers, and proven hype. Instead of guessing what might work, you're copying what already does. You grab one of those proven coins, drop it onto Raydium through create-tokens.fun, and now it's instantly live and tradable. No bonding curve, no visibility struggle, no waiting for a project to catch fire. With Raydium, your coin gets listed and shown immediately, and that's where the big market caps and serious volume starts coming in. People see your coin, they ape in, and if you timed it right, the profits are wild. Alright, let's stop yapping and run a real launch. This coin right here is moving. $37,000 market cap, and a buy just came in 5 seconds ago. That's all I need to see. Let's go. First, click your wallet. It's pretty simple. It's right here. Click create coin. Don't stress. The pop-up, right? That's normal. Just confirm. Give it a few seconds. Yeah, give it a few seconds after. And boom, if I go on SoScan, the coin should be minted. Yes sir, it's minted. Now we're in business. Let's handle the liquidity now. Alright, we're almost there. Your custom token and your Solana binds should already be selected. Under token A, hit 90%, you're locking in the supply, and token B is your first buy. I'm doing 0.5 SOL. No worries, you're not spending this. It's just part of the setup, and you will get it back later since you are the first buyer. Then click on create pool. Then confirm the transaction. And then after that, just simply refresh the page. After that, simply go down and boom, it's live. We're on the Raydium DEX. We're already up $48 in profit. Okay, click on view on photon to see the chart. And boom, now the coin is live. As you guys can see, oh my god, the coin just shot up at fucking 20k. Now it's at 15k market cap. It's fucking insane. Let me go see the transactions. Okay, it's kind of volatile. We're getting like, oh my god, we're getting so many buys every single second. Sells 2, not bad. Oh my god, it's coming in so quick. Yo, are you guys seeing this? It's so fucking quick. We're getting by so much. Okay, but guys, as meme coin devs, we have to relax, okay? We have to stay fucking calm. Now the market cap is kind of useless. We have to be looking at the volume, transactions, makers, and liquidity. Those are the most important steps to look at, okay? Also, to check your profits, come back to create-tokens.fun. After that, simply click on refresh. And boom, we're up $1,700 on this coin right now. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna give this coin around 5 minutes, and I'm gonna give this coin around 5 minutes and we're gonna see where it's at. So yeah, bye. Okay guys, I'm back. I went for a little nap and I went to eat. Now I'm back on my PC and it's at a $15,000 market cap. When I was gone, it peaked at 27,000. There's $100,000 in volume, but most importantly, $17,000 in liquidity. I think it was more than before. I'm not sure. Sometimes it can be weird. Sometimes there's more profit than usual, but yeah. The coin is dead, but yeah. To remove the liquidity, come back to createtokens.fun, and first of all, we will refresh. And yeah, we're up 2.4 bands. That's not bad, right? That's not bad. Now click on the minus button to remove, and here you can choose the percentage that you want to remove. I'm personally going to do like 32%, 30%, 32%. Oh my, hello. 32% because I still believe in the coin a bit, so I actually think it could go higher. But I remove liquidity, your phantom should pop up. And as you guys can see here, we're gonna receive 4 SOL. Now click on confirm. And just like that, I just removed the liquidity. If I open my phantom wallet, yes sir, 4 SOL is in my wallet. Let's fucking go. And please, before you go, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It would really help the channel a lot and the growth. And all the tools will be linked in the comments down below or in the description.